Hey guys, this is the foam blade which I posted about a few months ago. The orange foam blade is by Worker, and the 3D printed Picatinny rail blade mount is by Shanye. It is meant to be mounted onto a Nerf blaster, but I was thinking, what if I can use it purely for melee only? Before we go further, let's check out this Worker orange foam blade. It is made of soft foam. There is a support embedded at the spine, which I think is made of plastic, and it maintains the foam blade shape. There is zero damage, and it does not hurt at all when this foam blade is used to poke or slice someone. You may feel it a little bit if the spine is used to hit someone, but not enough to cause any harm. At the end is the Picatinny rail mount with two clamps. It can be attached to any Picatinny rail. In order to turn this into an effective melee item, I have to find something like a handle to attach this blade to. This is my telescopic camera stand and selfie stick. You may have seen this in many of my videos during range testing. It has a nice comfortable grip and a camera phone clamp screwed onto the other end. And of course, it extends. The entire thing is made of mostly lightweight plastic with an aluminium telescopic core, which means it is not going to cause a lot of damage if you swing this lightly to tap someone or something. Although, I feel that the act of swinging this particular item is not advisable for a Nerf game. However, poking and stabbing is where this stick really shines, as it is extendable. If someone gets poked a little bit too hard, the excess force will automatically cause the stick to retract and prevent damage. By the way, this stick handle also extends out to become a tripod and it stands on its own. I still have to find a simple way to attach this blade onto the stick. So I dug out an old 3D printed Picatinny rail for the Diana, which I have not used for a very long time. It fits perfectly with the blade's rail mount. Using some liquid nails to stick it onto the camera phone clamp, and after a few hours later, my homemade Nerf foam melee sword was complete. And this sword extends to become a Nerf foam spear as well. When fully extended, it measures about 1.7 meters long, and it also stands on its own. When fully contracted, it measures about 63 cm long, which fits just nicely into the back of my plate carrier. When I want to use the stick for filming, I can just unclamp the mount, remove the blade, and it becomes a fully functional camera stand again. Another way I've thought of was to design a double-sided or triple-sided Picatinny rail attachment with a screw port at the end to turn this into a two-bladed bident or a three-bladed trident. What do you think of my homemade Nerf melee foam sword and shield? I don't think a lot of game masters will approve this for use, as it is not made mostly of foam and may still pose an hazard if used incorrectly. But I'm going to try this out with my DUMBAS in small private games and play with this in a very careful and responsible manner. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you and see you.